नमस्कार हाईटेक ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन तरफ किछि दिन तले गणेश पूजार एक महिमामय अध्याय सृष्टि होता। छात्र छात्री मानक भितर पाठ पढ़ा सहित आउ किछि कलाकृति सृजनात्मक शिक्षा को आमे ताको अवतरण करिथिलु मंचरे। छात्र छात्री मानक भितर थिबा एई अपुरंत शिक्षार कथा को आमे आज कैमेरा रे धरि रखिया पई चेष्टा करिछु एवं एई छात्र छात्री मानक शिक्षादान करुथिबा वरिष्ठ गरिमामय अध्याय सृष्टि करिथिबा किछि अध्यापक एवं वरिष्ठ प्रशिक्षक एवं अध्यक्ष मान आम पाखरे अछंती। डॉक्टर रवींद्र कुमार दलई सर हाईटेक मेडिकल कॉलेज रो प्रिंसिपल, डॉक्टर संग्राम पात्र सर आम डेंटल कॉलेज रो प्रिंसिपल सर, डॉक्टर प्रोफेसर महेंद्र कुमार पाणिग्राही सर आम फार्मेसी कॉलेज रो प्रिंसिपल, डॉक्टर दीपक सामंतराय सर आम फिजियोथेरापी कॉलेज रो प्रिंसिपल एवं मैडम रीता लेंका। आम प्रथम बुझी ना जे पिला को पाठ पढ़ा सहित कि कलाकृति आप जब हाईटेक रे पिला माने पाठ पढ़ा सहित आउ टिके सामग्रिक भाव में पाठ पढ़ा कि बाट दूरे जाए टिके आगू अलग हो जाए कलाकृति देखी। आम प्रथम पचारि बुझा आमर हाईटेक मेडिकल कॉलेज रो प्रिंसिपल प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर रवींद्र कुमार दलई सर। सर
welcome all the principals under the high-tech group of institutions, all the faculties and students to this felicitation ceremony which has been organized for felicitating the prize winners undertaken by the different competitions held in last Ganesh Puja. Actually this year the Ganesh Puja we decided that to observe this Ganesh Puja with all the regulations and restrictions of COVID-19 infection. But at the same time we also wanted that our students should show their artmanship, their extracurricular activities. For that reason we wanted that our all students should have exposure for that in different competitions in the form of decoration of the pandals, in form of selfie photographs, in form of arts and in form of other all extracurricular activities. And our students have done exceedingly well in all these competitions. On my behalf, I express my I feel proud to felicitate them in this felicitation ceremony along with our respected director, managing trustee Suresh sir. Actually this Ganesh Puja to be done in such a way was the mastermind of our director Suresh sir. Actually he encouraged me to let you allow the students to have this function in my college with a lot of funfair, and I congratulate all the prize winners for being successful in this competition. But do remember that the failure is the pillar of success. Those who have not got the prize, actually they should try their best in the next year to compete and to get the prize.
Thank you very much juries for this award. Since last 2 years we are getting the award, and our college is very supportive. All the principals and Gopi sir, the director sir, they supported us very well to organize the puja, and I would like to thank my batchmate and my juniors and every senior, junior, everyone, because they supported us in this in organizing this event. Thank you.
The puja was helped organized by not just our batchmates but every single person who is involved in this institution. We collected the funds, everyone was very supportive. The juniors, the seniors, they provided us insight on how to decorate. They gave us ample amount of time and freedom. Even they let us work whenever we were comfortable. Any sort of guidance, any sort of help they always provided with, and for that we'll always be very, very, very grateful. And thankfully this time we got the recognition second time in a row. Both the times the award has been given to our college, and we're really happy. Thank you.
We're elated to be here today as all our hard work came into we were acknowledged for it. We won the second position in the Mandap decoration competition of Ganesh Puja, and we are highly obliged to the High Tech Group of Institutions and to all the teachers and all the staff who helped us through every step. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, High Tech Group of Institutions, for giving me an opportunity to speak in this occasion. I first welcome all the principals to our college, and thanks to the director who made us create this event. He inspired us, motivated us to do something different from regular what we do. I congratulate all the winners and all the participants who took the great effort of making this event successful. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to all. आम मैंने +2 साइंस कॉलेज रे पढ़ू। ये आम बहुत प्रकार फैसिलिटीज मिली पाठपढ़ा सह बहुत प्रकार खेल कूद आम कर आमको बहुत प्रकार फैसिलिटीज मिली टीचर माने बहुत भल अच्छा आ कैंटीन रे भी बहुत भल खाଇବା मिलूँ आम मैंने ये माने आम प्राउड फील करछु जे आम हाईटेक इंस्टीट्यूशन रो गुटे पिला पिला माने इंडिविजुअल पिला बोली सो वी विल नेवर फॉरगेट आवर हाईटेक कॉलेज थैंक यू आम गणेश पूजार समस्त भाग नहीं डेकोरेशन करने ये डेकोरेशन कर तृतीय स्थान अधिकार करूँ
to all the principals and the dignitaries as well as the students here. It's a great opportunity for the students not only to celebrate Ganesh Puja but also to develop an attitude of competition among them in arts, craft and other aspects. Well, it's a good thing which has been organized by High Tech Group of Education to encourage the students along with worshipping Lord Ganesh. The step which was initiated by the management as well as our honorable principal of medical college is really praiseworthy, and the involvement of the students also should be given thanks, and the students those who have participated must be thankful, as well as the students those who have won should be grateful to us. Thank you very much.
অদ্রিজা গাঙ্গুলি হাইটেক কলেজ অফ নার্সিং বিএসসি নার্সিং সেকেন্ড ইয়ার। এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের গ্রুপ সেলফি কন্টেস্টের জন্য আমরা তিনজন আমাদের স্কুল অফ নার্সিংয়ের প্রিন্সিপাল রীতা ম্যামের সাথে ছবি তুলেছিলাম। তো আমরা টোটাল ইনস্টিটিউশন থেকে ফার্স্ট প্রাইজ পেয়েছি, আর এটা পেয়ে আমরা খুবই খুশি। এটা হাইটেকে আমাদের প্রথম প্রাইজ, আর আমরা বিএসসি সেকেন্ড ইয়ার, খুবই ভালো লাগছে।
हम लोग बीएससी सेकेंड ईयर का स्टूडेंट है और मैं शारदा पत्र, औद्रिजा गांगुली, सुमेधा जाना, हम तीनों मैम के साथ, हमारे प्रिंसिपल मैम के साथ एक फ़ोटो लिए थे और उसमें हम फर्स्ट कैटेगरी में आए। तो इसके लिए बहुत प्राउड फील हो रहा है, क्योंकि मतलब हर दिन का पढ़ाई और ड्यूटी वगैरह के साथ जब ये सब अलग से होता है तो मतलब वो खुश भी, दिल को भी अच्छा लगता है, और मतलब प्राइज तो अभी मतलब कॉलेज के लिए भी प्राउड, हम लोगों के लिए भी। सो
Good afternoon. Myself SP Pragya Prabha from High Tech College of Physiotherapy, BPT second year, and we have got today the group photo prize for second prize, and we are very happy to and excited also to that we have got this prize, and we highly thank High Tech that they gave us the opportunity to participate in the extracurricular activities apart from the studies. Thank you.
Welcome to all the respected principal to this occasion, and thanks to our student for restoring the culture of India that we expect from today's generation. They are restoring the culture, and thanks to the Honorable Director, Sir, Mr. Suresh Kumar Panikrai, who has helped us a lot for this occasion, who has organized this occasion such nicely, and has organized this ceremony, felicitation ceremony. Thank you, sir, and thank you all the students of my college to participate in such a great occasion. Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Mohit Jain. I am intern student in High Tech Medical College. It was a contest of the Ganesh Chaturthi, which is being organized since last 2 years. And this time I have got first position is in selfie competition. There was diet competition. Among 50 people's participants were there. High Tech has already been taken part in all the extracurricular event outside Odisha also, and representing the High Tech in every group, along with study and extracurricular activity before the COVID era, that is 2020 I guess, in Saraswati Puja, they were first time they had this digital competition, and it was the second time. At that time the contestants were also less, but this time the contestants were already increased. Along with me in selfie contest, around there might be 50, more than 50 contestants were there.
Myself Shilpa Brahma from pharmacy, fourth year. We are very happy that we got this third prize. Our department got this third prize. We are very happy for that, and I want to thank this college that they give us this opportunity to participate our department like this. This should be a good one for all of us.
आमे सब बहुत खुशी अच्छु एक्चुअली ग्रुप फोटो रे जति कि आमे भाग नेइतलु सेतरे आमे थर्ड प्राइज पाइछु बहुत उत्साहित लागुछु जति कि हमको माने एते सारा हम पिला हमन को बहुत सपोर्ट करछु ग्रुप फोटो रे आ सब माने हम कॉलेज डॉक्टर महेंद्र कुमार पाणिग्राही हमको बहुत सपोर्ट करछन सब आ सब होल स्टूडेंट जति कि भी हमको ए सब जिंस रे पार्टिसिपेट करा पे बहुत हेल्प करछु थैंक यू
ऑल रेस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल्स हाईटेक मेडिकल कॉलेज एंड हॉस्पिटल भुवनेश्वर प्रिंसिपल डेंटल कॉलेज एंड हॉस्पिटल भुवनेश्वर नर्सिंग +2 साइंस प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर चित्तरंजन सर all dignitaries. It gives me an immense pleasure that our honorable director Shri Suresh Kumar Panikrai sir has initiated this program and has given the directions to celebrate Sri Ganesh Chaturthi Ganesh Puja in our entire campus. There is a good competition between the students who will make this program very successful. The students has day and night worked together, encouraged, and they have been motivated, and throughout the night they did the decorations and make a successful puja in our entire group of institutions. Thank you all.
নমস্কার, আমি সুজনা জানা। আমি হাইটেক স্কুল অফ নার্সিংয়ে স্টাডি করি, জিএনএম ফার্স্ট ইয়ার। আমি এই ট্রফিটা এবং এই সার্টিফিকেট এই প্লেসমেন্ট পেয়েছি আমি গণেশ চতুর্থী উপলক্ষে সেলফি কন্টেস্টে পার্টিসিপেট করেছিলাম, যার কারণের জন্য এই ট্রফিটা পেয়েছি, সেকেন্ড পজিশন হয়েছে। আর ধন্যবাদ হাইটেক মেডিকেল কলেজ, হাইটেক গ্রুপ অফ ইনস্টিটিউটকে আমার তরফ থেকে অসংখ্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Good afternoon, all, and all the respected principals and director, madam, nursing, and the honorable director, and we are the inspirers, and the winners are our students. They have done a lot in one night, and they make it success. Thank you so much.
We have gathered here to celebrate our felicitation ceremony of the Ganesh Chaturthi competition held on 10th of this month, and our management has given an opportunity to all the high-tech group of institution to participate and to develop their extracurricular activities and skills in not only in the education field, other field also. So I thank for them, and they have provided some of the donation from their side also, and we also made successful programs to celebrate this Ganesh Chaturthi.
Really congratulate each and every participant who have done. First prize, second prize, third prize is nothing, but we want to make a healthy competition in this puja event. Like you people, it's have been a long time participated in any sports, culture and all, and it's a kind of relief after many time. It's a long gap. You did participate in any culture, especially we conduct all those sports events, HCL and all. So hopefully if at all third wave doesn't come, like we will continue the HCL event. Not only HCL, football league, all the, and even the girls side.
जो मैंने आम सब टपर होती रेडियो चॉकलेट सहित कथा रेडियो चॉकलेट स्पेशल शो रे गोटे गोटे घंटिकिया शो रे नबू ता पूर्व आम कथा गोपी सार सहित और आमर सुरेश सार को इनफर्मेशन देचु आप डाक्तरी पाठ पढ़ुंट ये पाठ पढ़ा सहित ये सब कथा के इंटरेस्ट है
हाईटेक ग्रुप इवेंट को लास्ट ईयर स्टार्ट होता हाईटेक स्टूडेंट्स माने पाठ तो पढ़ुले आउ एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज भी करुले लेकिन लास्ट ईयर यहाँ डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म रो चालू स्टार्ट है तापाई स्टूडेंट्स को पाई स्कोप है कि से डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म रे निज टैलेंट को देखै पारे पंडाल फेवरेट सेल्फी और फेवरेट ग्रुप
आपण कोथरे पार्टिसिपेट करथिले
ए थरे फेवरेट सेल्फी फेवरेट फोटोग्राफी रे पार्टिसिपेट करथिली और लास्ट ईयर भी दुईटा आसी
केमिति पढ़ा होची पाठ केमिति होची सेल्फी रे तो बोधे आपण बहुत एक्सपर्ट थिबे कारण आपण भीतर से एकाग्रता अछि पाठटा केमिति होची
पाठ भी बहुत भल होची आ आम कन्वोकेशन भी किछि केबे भी हे पारे आम आ 5 दिन भीतर हम इंटर्नशिप सरी जिवो
पाठ सहित साठ भी बहुत भल
अछि पाठ
अच्छा सेल्फी बोले आपण फोटो सेल्फी कंपटीशन रे आपण पार्टिसिपेट करथिले पाठ पढिबा सहित साठ रे केते गुरुत्वपूर्ण अछि कला संस्कृति साहित्य प्रति आपण अनुराग अछि सेति भाई हाईटेक ग्रुप तरफ आपण बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू।